Hi everybody, welcome to another iRacing race. Today I am back in the Ford F-150 racing in the Fixed Truck Series at Daytona. If you like pack racing, this is the track for you. My goal was to not touch anything and end with a good result. I managed a good result, but did have a few incidents to work through. Thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you really enjoy this content, would you consider subscribing to my channel? It will really encourage me to continue making content like this for you. Okay, let's take the green flag at Daytona.
Here we go. Green, green, green.
Indeed, here we go at Daytona. We are car 16. We just started 18th. I didn't qualify. I'm just gonna avoid what should be the big one here.
Hold your line.
Any minute now.
Hold your line.
Apparently I jumped and started, so anyone behind me, I gotta come to pit road.
Still there.
Just be aware of that. Be aware of that.
Inside clear.
I think I'm just gonna get down low.
You should be able to blend in.
Car inside. Clear low.
Alright, I survived one lap. 25 total around. Another guy peeling off. 2 penalties. Right.
Twister is now in the lead.
Got a couple blinkers up there.
D16.
Yeah, 1 year point. The number 1 corner.
Now it gets dangerous. Too wide.
Outside. Hold your line. Hold your line. Still there.
Why people are diving around. This
Hold your line.
guy's going in the pits.
Still there. Clear outside.
Alright. Or blinking. They're just gonna go to the back. I don't know what they're doing. I have no idea what the strategy is to move from the front to the back. I mean, I'm sure it's get up there and mix it up, but I would be too scared of doing something stupid and ruining half the field's race. So I'll just hang out back here, learn some things, learn to drive behind people, give them little bumps like that. See if we stay in formation the whole race. It's not even flat out. Just see the graph down there at the bottom of the screen. Just 100% sometimes, but drop into 70, 75, I guess. Oh wow, now we're down to 40. Maybe a little too much. Anyway.
16th place.
Yeah, without getting 3 wide, I don't know how you're gonna gain ground. 3 wide's dangerous. That puts you up on the wall. Touching the wall. Bad.
Malo is leading the race.
Car high. Still there. Still there. Hold your line. Hold your line. Hold your line.
I don't trust myself on the high line, so I'm just going to stay glued to the yellow line down here as much as I can.
Car high.
That's a new fastest lap for Alan, 47.2.
Hold your line.
Checked up there a little
Clear
bit,
high.
I think. He's pretty passive so far. Doing anything crazy. I lost 2 positions there. Just checking up. Might lose another one here. Chuck. Let's see what he wants to do.
P18.
do a commercial break here early. Hey, oh, maybe not. Hold on. Got a car that dove out of the way up there. Don't know why. Oh, no. Oh, dear. I don't know what that was about. Come on, boys. Let's get them. Don't lose them. Car 10's trapped out there. I think a bit on the outside.
On the outside. Hold your line. Clear high.
Alright, now let's try the commercial break. Hey, thanks very much for watching. Really do appreciate it. If you enjoyed this video, can you give it a thumbs up in the YouTube? And if you really... hold on. I'll give you the second part of the commercial here. I'm trying to get through turns 3 and 4. Yeah, I'll be alright. Anyway, if you really enjoy this content, would you consider subscribing to my channel? That'll really encourage me to keep making content like this for you. Learn what to do, what not to do. Not that I'm the best guy for that.
Outside. You clear high.
In all cases, man, they checked up there. Anyway, thanks for watching. Appreciate it.
That's a new fastest lap
And,
for Racing, 46.9.
Let's get back at it here. I don't know what to do. Hang out back here. And close to the turn to give him a push. Don't want to bump him when he's going into the turn. That would be bad. Anyway.
Car outside. Hold your line.
Okay, Charlie. The next car is Dyke.
Still there.
I catch him.
17.
Still there.
Slowing up, going through the tri-oval for some
Clear
reason.
outside.
This line. I might have to go high.
Car high.
Justin's got good colors, the orange
Still
and
there.
black, so maybe I can
Hold your
keep
line.
up with him. We can move forward.
Hold your line.
Oh,
Clear
he just
outside.
failed. Yeah, I'm gonna have to try it here. Yeah, I'm gonna try it.
You've got a car low. Still there. Clear inside.
Got one.
B16. The car in front of us is now low.
Yeah, this strategy may not work. It might.
On the outside. Hold your line. Clear high.
Oh, this is gonna get ugly, I think. 3 wide up there.
Alan is leading the race.
What are you doing, Brian?
Uh-oh, yep. Here we go.
You've got a car
Oh,
high.
here we go.
Hold your line.
Okay. Yep, car's around.
Full course caution.
Got a
Watch
yellow.
out.
Okay. Got a 4X there.
That looks so bad. Holy shit.
Okay.
We can see Rhodes has binned it.
Am I still blinking?
Alright, about ready to go back to green here. A couple cars pitted ahead of me, so I'm now in 11th. We're going to have about 11 laps to go at the line. So I'm going to be in the middle of the pack here. That's kind of scary, but my goal is to stay on the bottom, on that yellow line there, for the next 11 laps. And not touch anything. Alright, here we go.
Green,
You
green.
clear high.
E11.
off we go. Good start there, or okay start. Might have 4-car trapped up high. We'll see if he dives down. Still people letting up. I don't know why.
Car high.
Freight trained a little bit here.
Still there. Hold your line. You're clear outside.
So there's still a chance for
Car high.
disaster.
Still there. Hold your line. Hold your line.
14th.
Hold your line.
Got a jumper up
Still
there.
there. Still there. Hold your line. Still there. Still there. Hold your line.
Ow! What?
Full course caution.
Oh yeah, well, that was actually okay, I guess.
Race
Well,
cars
we got
out.
nailed
Line
up
up single
one.
file behind car 14. We're under
That
caution.
was my
It's
fault.
closed.
Sorry.
Well, another big one. I got another 4X. And we'll see where we turn out now. So I kept it straight. Alright, we'll go back. We'll come back when we go back to green. I'll keep you posted on what happens between now and then. Okay, we're about to go back to green here on lap 20, so 6 to go at the line. A couple cars pitted in front of me on that yellow. I had some damage. So now I'm in 12th, and I'm on the outside, so I think my goal is to not touch anything for the last 6 laps. Try to get to the bottom if I can do it safely, but I may stay at the top. I mean, if I can, it seems like that's a faster line. Because they're checking up, going through the tri-oval and stuff on the bottom, so I may try the top line. I don't know what I'm going to do. I just don't want to wreck. 8X is enough for today. Anyway, about ready to go here.
Green flag. We're racing.
And here we go.
Twister is now leading.
Car low.
P13.
Hold your line. Hold your line. Still there. You're clear inside.
I'm going to try the high line here. This first
Car
lap.
inside.
See how it goes. Maybe
Hold your
not so
line.
well. Don't. Okay.
Hold your line.
Everybody's going to try the high line.
Clear low. There's a car on your inside. Still there.
Don't let up too much there.
Inside.
Okay, Charlie. The next car is Watson.
Inside clear.
Yeah, that time they hold it alright, the inside line.
P15.
You've got a car low. Hold your line.
3 wide, no, under 2.
Still there.
Thinking about 3.
Clear low.
Oh.
Car low.
Oh, it's
Hold
not
your
going to
line.
end well up there. Something bad's going to
Hold your
happen.
line.
Here we go. Oh, someone's blinking.
Still
There's
Hold your
back.
line. Clear inside.
Yeah, car second or third in line in the bottom is blinking. That's no good. Alright. 4 to go.
Push now. We can catch this guy.
Go where he doesn't go. Oh, there they go, going
Full
around.
course caution. Be careful.
Alright, good. Alright, I think I made it. Alright. Good.
There goes half the field.
Pace car is out.
Right.
Yes, closed. Pace car is out. Line up single file behind car number 18.
All right. Got through the big one. Okay, about to go green. Got a green-white checker coming up. I'm in 11th again, and I'm on the bottom again, which is where I want to be again. Looks like maybe 18, 19 cars maybe on the lead lap. So, still a chance for disaster, but a chance for an okay result. So, I'll just be happy again, not touch anything for the rest of the race. And keep it glued to that yellow line down there for 2 laps. Always good to have a plan.
Green flag.
All right, 2 go.
P11.
Keep it low. Oh, don't come down. Okay, came down. That's fine. Got a good gap to the people behind us.
Carlo. Hold your line.
Oh, this guy's blink up. There they
Hold your
go.
line.
That's my fault.
Still there.
Go, go, go. Get a yellow.
Clear inside.
Be careful, we've got a full course
Okay.
caution.
That's it.
Okay, we're clear.
Pace car is out.
18,
Line up
stay up.
single file behind car number 18. We're under caution. It's closed.
That should be it.
That's it, right? The line's all good. Yeah, it's over. You just gotta finish up the race.
All right. I think we finished 9th, so we'll call it that. I'm
Good
gonna
race, guys.
jump out and check a couple incidents that I was involved in, see if I could do anything different.
Damn, Bill, I
and
think we caught a break.
we'll check results. Okay, incidents time from the race at Daytona. This is the first incident I was involved in, the very end of lap 10, beginning of 11 here. And they're checking up, a guy gets into the wall, they go on the apron, and yeah, just a little touchy there. Still got a 4X, but not too bad, actually. And then this is the second incident I was involved in a little later on. You can see we're 3 wide coming out of turn 2. And I tried to keep it on the bottom as much as I could, keep it on that yellow line. And things get a little crazy ahead of me here. They're 3 wide. A little bumpy, but fortunately kept it off. Oh, I did touch the wall a little bit there with my back right. But otherwise, not that bad. Didn't really harm anything. Still had a good result even after all that. All right, results are in from our race at Daytona this evening. We were in the 6th of 13 splits, so quite a few cars racing this. A popular track. Safety rating went down 0.29, so I lost my 4.99. We'll get that back up later. 8X certainly will not help with that. My rating did go up 24 points to 1685, getting close to my record there. 1809 is my record, so we'll see how well that does in other races this week at Daytona. So I finished car 9. I was car number 16 and started 18th, and yeah, those 8 incidents, not really what I wanted, but got through it, and yeah, had fun, learned some stuff, and yeah, heart rate up a little bit, and that's all good. So yeah, we'll go get them next time.